Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Evolution for Software. Today I'm going to discuss about the Tally's unique feature about creating a non-inventory item into the system. And here are below are the examples I have taken for the non-inventory items which we can use it while invoicing to the customers or while purchasing from the suppliers. The examples are supply and installation, interior designing work, geoducting work, inspection work, networking work, and labor hours. These are just the examples I'm considering. You can take even any other items also as per to your business needs. So let's go further, like how to create this non-inventory item into Tally. Now first, for that we need to come into gateway of Tally, come into create, and then you have to select from the inventory master, select as stock item. Then this is the screen where you are going to create the inventory item. The top item is the inventory items creation screen, and the next what you're seeing in the additional details, provide additional behaviors. That option we have to make it yes. If that option is not available in the Tally, you have to press F12, and from the F12 you have to we have to select that particular option. How to do that? Once you make this particular option as yes, then the behavior column will be screen will appear. In that behavior column, the last three options we have to mark it as yes. Then automatically this particular item will become as a non-inventory item. Now as I said, like in F12 configuration, how to activate this features behavior feature into the inventory column, that you have to make sure on the top first two options that has to be marked as yes, and down below the second last option, set option for the stock item behavior, that you have to mark yes. Once you do that, then only this behavior option will be visible in the inventory item screen. Once you make this all options yes, then the next step is like we are coming in the sales invoice screen, and I have just created geoducting work. As I said, like I have taken the non-inventory item, and down below if you can see, I have mentioned the descriptions for that particular uh, non-inventory item, and here you can mention the square meter, how much square meter, this units of measure. It can be anything. It can be in square meter, it can be in linear meter, it can be pieces, it can be hours, it can be nos, whatever you are mentioning the units of measure into the inventory creation screen. So this is how you are mentioning all this detail down below. And one more thing about this UE VAT at the rate 5%, this I have created one generic ledger, which means with the same ledger you can use it in the sales, you can use it in purchase, you can use it in credit note, and you can use it in debit note. So you don't need to actually remember in which voucher which ledger I have to select. In sales I have to select output, in purchase I have to select input. Like if the data entry guys mess up with the selection of the ledgers, then the entire calculation goes wrong. So I have made one generic ledger so that you can have it is easy for you to do the auditing. But again, this all depends upon your auditor, how he wants. You can do that. Now coming up to the next screen, I am selecting the next example. Here I have selected an interior designing work. Earlier I selected the geoducting work, and here I am selecting the interior designing work. And here down below in the description, item description, I have mentioned what all work I have done for this interior designing work, and how much square meter work I have done, what is the rate of that particular per square meter rate. And down below if you have seen the labor hours, so how many working hours we have given for making this particular interior designing work. And if you have seen, I have marked into the working hours per, so 1500 hours multiplied by per hour rate I have mentioned. And as I said down below, again I'm selecting the UE VAT ledger over here, and the VAT is getting calculated. The same thing, the same process you can do it in the purchase screen also. Now once we do that, now if you see the inventory ledger, the inventory report of the Tally, this you can see that it is showing an inward and outward effect, and it is not leaving any closing balances in the inventory. So this is how the inventory non-inventory item it works into Tally. So this is very unique feature of Tally which everyone are looking for, and this way you can maintain your non-inventory ledgers into the system, and it will not give any closing balances to your system. So it will not give any financial effect or any inventory effect to your system, and it will directly go and hit the revenue ledger. Now, with a small kind of customization, what we have done is we have just called only this interior designing work, what I have mentioned in the description. I have just called that into the system, wherein the non-inventory item name what we have created, it is not visible. It is just showing as in the description whatever we have mentioned. It is calling the same description in the printout print format, not the actual ledger what we have created. Now the interior designing work I just created, if you would have observed, I have created only interior designing work, the non-inventory ledger, but in my output it is showing interior designing work for office work, because that is what I have mentioned in the description. So with a small kind of customization you can achieve this kind of output for your sales invoice or purchase invoice, whatever it is. Okay, so this is a unique feature of Tally with small customization, and this customization I'll provide you for free. Kindly send me a comment on my the YouTube channel, and I'll share you the text message to your email ID, and we can configure that particular the TDL to your system, and I'll show you how to how to activate the TDL into the Tally and get the same kind of output. So if you like this particular video as very useful, and it is gonna help you for your daily operations, your sales operations and your purchase operations, kindly hit the button as like, and please subscribe my channel. And in my next channel I'm going to show you how to use the same non-inventory item for your project management or any other business sectors. So please like, share and subscribe my video. It will be a great support for us to understand that I'm going with your likes and your desired videos with you. Thanks a lot for watching, and please wait for my next video. Thank you.